Yeah, this initiative, generational impact, is to ponder about it and looking at crime and violence and how to break the cycles of crime. So we came up with the initiative of reaching the next generation, hence the initiative Generational Impact. So there's a model that I have built that's called Stop, Think, Then Act. And that model is to help the boys to reconstruct how they think and then to make the appropriate action, because we know that every action there's an end result. Either you'll be rewarded or you have to face the consequence. So we want the boys to make the right choice so we can have better decision, better boys, growing them up to be good men so they can be productive in our society. With God, all things are possible, and we can't give up. We have to keep knock it. Many have shared their testimony, how they were bad for years, but their parents never give up on them, and they are now doctors and lawyers contributing. So while we know that there are environment and several factors that are affecting their growth, there must be somebody who can invest in them and see. And investment is a long-term thing to see change. So we have to continue to be optimistic that when we put things in place, even if it reach 1 or 2, we give God thanks. But let us keep knocking to see how best we can impact the society and impact our youth.
And this has to be started from home.
Definitely. And that's why the next thing is to reach out to the parents where they can help and be a part of it, because we realize that the environment and the home environment contributes significantly to how the boys behave. So, the parents have to, play their part as best as possible to help to impact lives, and especially the children's lives. So far it has been inspiring. As a matter of fact, I think it was last week we had a behavior modification of about 30 boys in St. Mary, and there was a little altercation with one of the boys, and when he was about to do something bad to another boy, he remembered stop, think, then act. So right away it's starting to be in the minds of the young boy to think before they act, because there are consequences that can be very severe. So it is helping, and just have to keep working at it, and it will lodge in their hearts and mind and cause transformation. We just want the nation to, as best as possible, that we continue to reach out to our youths, our girls, and especially our boys, and put things in place that can help them to focus and help them to reconstruct how they think so they can make better action. Don't give up on them, pray for them and guide them. And I guarantee you, at the end, it will have a positive impact.